Zoho Mail claims to be the best business email service out there, but does it really deliver? As more companies look for reliable communication tools, let's dive into whether Zoho Mail is worth your time and money. Zoho Mail is designed for businesses looking for a professional email solution. It offers a clean, ad-free interface and integrates seamlessly with other Zoho products, which can be a huge plus if you're already in their ecosystem. The platform supports custom domains, providing a more polished appearance for businesses. User experience is generally straightforward, with features like email organization tools, advanced search options, and even an integrated calendar. However, some users might find the initial setup a little cumbersome, especially if they're migrating from another service. One immediate standout is the robust security features, including two-factor authentication and end-to-end encryption. But there's a noticeable lack of transparency around certain aspects of data handling and privacy policies, which might raise some eyebrows for the more cautious users. Overall, while it caters well to small and medium-sized businesses, larger organizations might find it lacking in certain advanced functionalities. Zoho Mail has its strengths, particularly with its user-friendly interface and solid integration with Zoho's suite of tools. The ad-free experience is also a big plus for maintaining professionalism. However, there are some downsides. For starters, the customer support can be hit or miss, and response times may frustrate users who need immediate assistance. Additionally, while it's great for small businesses, larger companies might find the lack of advanced collaboration features limiting. Pricing is competitive, but some users may feel that certain features are locked behind higher tier plans, which could be a barrier for startups on a tight budget. Overall, while Zoho Mail is a solid choice for many, it may not be the perfect fit for everyone. In summary, Zoho Mail is a great option for small to medium businesses looking for a reliable email service with solid features. However, if you're part of a larger organization or need extensive support, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth a try, but do your research first.